Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sephora Gratis for the month of May, and it's kind of a smaller bag, but this is actually a lot of really good things that I got in the month of May, and it hasn't really been that long since I had mine scribed out, so I feel like it's still a really good amount of product, and I am very excited about a lot of the things that I got. I know a lot of you guys like watching these. If you don't know what Gratis is, it's basically like free product you get from a place that you work to educate you and so that you can talk about the products with the clients. And I work at Sephora, so of course that's where I'm getting mine from. Also, if my makeup looks a little crazy, I was filming like an Instagram look and I took inspiration from Norvina, so I'll pop up a picture of her and of mine so you guys can see the difference. I just thought it was a really fun look. I could not find a lavender wig, but I felt like with my natural hair color it was still really pretty. I definitely have like a missing spot with makeup where I stuck that butterfly on with eyelash glue. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing I see is the Dior Show Pump and Volume Mascara. Now I believe this is the updated version of that mascara if I'm not mistaken. So there was apparently some kind of issue with like the suction or the part of the mascara that kind of scrapes a little bit of the excess off with the previous formula, so you could get pretty clumpy. So I think this one's supposed to have a little bit better mechanism inside so that you don't get super clumpy lashes, which I'm excited about because that was my gripe about this mascara before. But like A, it's really expensive, and B, I'm getting like clumpy lashes. So hopefully this will be better. I really like the Dior Iconic Overcurl. That's my mascara that I love from them. Absolutely love that one. I have a Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, which looks like this, and believe it or not, it's actually a color that I don't have, or at least I think I don't have. I definitely don't have this one. So this is Rose Gold Retro. This one is really gorgeous. It's like a rose gold base. It looks metallic with some silver glitter in it. It looks so gorgeous. Like, this does not do it justice. They are like the pioneers of these liquid eyeshadows, and I still think that they are the best. They're definitely pricey, but they are so gorgeous. So that's a Rose Gold Retro. I got another product from Dior. This little iridescent packaging is really pretty. So it says this is the Stellar Shine number 595. This is what it looks like in the packaging. We'll give it a swatch. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's very creamy. So it is right here. It's kind of hard to see under like certain angles of the light. You can't see it that well, but it's kind of like a pink, like a pinkish lavenderish, but it also looks kind of duochrome. So this should be really interesting. I think it'll look pretty on the lips. Always happy to get a Dior lip product. Looks like I got a Dior lip mini as well. This is a lip pencil in the shade number 60 Premier, which is pink. So this is just like a little mini guy of that. I got from Anasazi one of their liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Bohemian. I actually have one of their lips on today. I mixed it with a ColourPop one to kind of create this shade that I saw in the picture. So hopefully it looks pretty cute. So this one's like a rich berry, but it's definitely more on the like neutral side. It's not incredibly warm or incredibly cool, which I kind of like, but it's definitely more on the berry side. I like it. A couple eyeliners, which these I won't open because I do have some open eyeliners already. I have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion, which is just a really good black. I also have the Sephora Brush Tip Liquid Liner, and this one is waterproof. I think this is actually a new formula or an updated packaging. I'll actually swatch this one. Oh. Let me shake this up. That was like a really bad swatch. Okay, I don't know if this is just my pencil. Like, that's not working out well. I've swatched these in store and they definitely don't swatch like that. Not, or at least not all of them. Okay, that's a little better. Swatch that on top so you can see. Yeah, that was a bit of a mess. So I don't know what's going on with that. They usually have pretty good eyeliners. I've got the Lancome Totnadol Liquid Foundation. I have the shade 110 Ivory Cool. This is my normal sort of shade. Right now I've been using like, I think 120 when I have just a little bit of extra color, but that rarely happens. So most of the time I just go with my real color and then I bronze up. I got another Urban Decay pencil in the shade Torch, which is like a nice terracotta. I'm going to swatch that in between a couple lips on my hand. So that is Torch right here. Is that like terracotta red orange. I also got the Anasazi Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown. So this is one that I use quite often. I'm loving all these Anasazi and Urban Decay goodies. I got a couple little things from Glam Glow. So I got a mini Super Mud and a little guy. Love that for travel. And then I got a little size of their Super Toner as well. So those are both in the same line. I love Super Mud. It's still, to this day, probably my favorite mask, especially masks for pores, breakouts, and things like that. This I was not expecting to get. I actually used a couple of the shades out of this palette on my eyes today, and I got the Anasazi Rivera palette in Gratis. I definitely already purchased this one. Mine came just a little bit dusty. It's not bad though, like nothing is swatched or damaged. It just came a little bit dusty in the palette, probably just from moving around. And yeah, this one is absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely be giving this to one of you guys soon. I actually just ended my giveaway on Instagram, and right now, if you haven't seen my palette declutter, I'm giving away the Huda Nude palette. So go and check that one out if you haven't seen it. I also have the Lancome Tonadol Ultra Wear Camouflage. So this is in the shade 90 Ivory, which looks like this. This one is like a really good coverage. So if you happen to try that one out, just start with a tiny amount. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray in a travel size. I just saw where they came out with one for the summer that's like coconut scented. I really want to get one of those. The cutest thing from Anasazi, this is a pin and it's a little pink pair of tweezers. How adorable is that? I love those little extras. They're so cute. And then I also got a Dior lip polish in the shade 002, which is a really soft pink. I love these. They're just really pretty glosses, so flattering on the lips. And we're down to the very last item. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Clinical Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel. So this is actually a two-step process. So here are the bottles right here. I actually haven't tried this out before, so I am very excited. So you apply step 1 to cotton ball by making 2 3-second turns. What? I'm guessing that's how long you like pour it. Massage onto clean, dry skin. Wait for 2 minutes, then repeat the process with step 2. Do not rinse. So I am very familiar with their peel pads that come in the little packets where you just sweep the one on and then you go into the other one and then you sweep that on and you leave it. Those I really love. So I have every reason to believe that I'm going to really love this one too. I'm always so happy with their skincare when I try it. And this product also comes with sterilized and organic 100% cotton balls. So they're literally like vacuum sealed in here because they have been sterilized for you to use with this peel. It is like airtight in that guy. So I think that's really cool that they do that so that you know you're getting like the best of the best when you're applying the product as well as the ingredients in it. So yay, I'm very happy about that. Hope you enjoyed seeing this little Gratis haul. It was very short and sweet, so I hope you guys like these type of videos that kind of keep it narrowed down. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. Please do, if you have a moment, leave a thumbs up if you like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, of course. It would mean the world to me and I'd love to have you in my little family. And also just thank you so much. Every little bit helps. Every little bit supporting my channel really helps me out and helps me get my videos to more people so that I can grow and become better at what I do. So thank you. I do have one more thing to share with you guys, and that is our dad joke. I told my wife she drew her eyebrows on too high. She seemed surprised. Okay, I like that one. The dad jokes are never involving makeup, and today we had one. It's a good day. Let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.